It's Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third. I'm in central Croydon and I'm gonna check out one of these new buses. We got 3 new buses in Croydon, SL5, SL7 and SL6. I'm gonna get the SL5 into Bromley. Change of scenery. Also, they've been working on Tramlink at East Croydon. The platforms, they've literally replaced the platforms, track, all 3 of them, and all the way down to George Street that I know of. And they're pretty much finished. I think they're clearing it up. No, maybe not. They're still working on it. But this closest one here, literally, they had a broken rail, so they're replacing the tracks on all 3 platforms. Yeah, but what we're going to do is we're going to get a SL5, which is basically super loop. They call it super loop. There's a rail replacement bus, but we're going for the SL5. So hopefully within a week they would have finished all this track, get Tramlink working again. I don't know when it's going to turn up, but apparently I can use my freedom pass on it. I've got some new trousers and new hoodie top as well. I went to Costco with Linda a couple of days ago, and that was a blast from the past. It was like going to Macro again, although Macro doesn't exist anymore. But it was so big and there's so much in it, stuff that I hadn't seen for years. If I had the money, it'd be like a shopping spree, but nah. Plus they add tax onto certain items. But Costco was quite an eye-opener. So much food, good stuff. Blower. Aye. Champion top and trousers as well. Fucking nose itching. So I finally got some new clothes, well, a top and the trousers. I got a belt as well, because I've got one belt, literally I've been wearing it for over 20 years, Stone Island belt, and it's leather and it's just falling to pieces. Literally my daily belt for about 20 years, so I had to replace it. It's just easier there. Everything is on view, the sizes, there's so many different sizes, it's just piss easy. And these are 34 because I got long legs. Oh. But yeah, just waiting for this SL5 bus. It hasn't turned up while I'm recording, unfortunately, so I'm probably going to have to stop it here. But that was a short update of what's happened, especially that I've got some new clothes, but I need some shoes really. I need another new pair of shoes. Here we go. Bromley North. If anyone could get on. And we're on. So I might go a bit longer now. Who's gonna moan? Library. Shirley Library, is it? So this is an express service. Of course, traffic lights. Oh dear. Move, 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 move. Move, move. Them lights will never stay green. Oh. There's another one. See if I can get us to Shirley at least. get us to Shirley, not press on now. Not with this traffic. Definitely not. More like Sandilands. No, lights have changed. Lucky to get to Trinity School. Sandilands. Heron's Croft. The hydrangeas are planted. Some of that's missing now.
Lux. Exactly, yeah, I just tried to ring Mike in it because I see Gumbo walk back towards the office. So I said, oh, I'm going back. So I rung up Mike and he didn't even answer. Where are you on your way back? Bro, I see him walk into his barracks and he walks towards the fucking office. And then I said, you don't make sure because he was like, no, he was on the phone to someone. I'm hoping he ain't got back, bro. We've had a lot of problems. She's awkward, isn't it? The way our cash was saying, he could ring him, he could have get a second. You know what I mean? It's a big start.
There's Trinity School.
Gonna be fucking mad this Monday. Let me do it. We've got to be some more cash to that. I think he's with us. I think he's having the same thing. But he's allowed back, we're not. The difference in fucking money. Cash just wants to look good, that's all.
The dual carriageway. There's Trinity School.
Tricks is fucked. Get on this one. Alright, son, well, let me know if you hear anything, innit?
And traffic.
Alright, got. Yeah, you too, mate. I'll speak to you later, yeah? Go on, mate. Sorry to this thing.
Nah, we got to the Crown pub. think I'm going to end it here.